Two great products from Bluelene. They use methylene blue in all of their products, and it's helpful in every single aspect that they are correcting for us. BodyFix. This is like face cream for your body. It's wonderful for your decollete, all the little fine wrinkles around your ankles and your knees and your elbows and your upper arms. Face cream for the body, kind of fabulous like that. And then I always preach about sunblock. This is their SunFix, it's their sunblock. It completely blocks 100% of all the UVA rays, and the UVA is what's responsible for all the aging that we go through on our skin, all the teeny little wrinkles, the brown spots, all of those things. This blocks that 100%, and it helps with the anti-aging and the correcting of the fine wrinkles. SunFix, BodyFix, two great products from Bluelene.